First time going on a drag strip, fellas. Wait, and I gotta get to go on the drag strip, boy, because it done painted, boy. Hey, see this? Yes, what is this? What is this? I'm getting to go on the drag strip, see this? See this? First, second, third, down the drag strip, woo, fourth. What's up guys, Mari here again. Hope you're doing good. Just want to say really quickly that this video is a little vloggy because I wanted you all to experience the hardships and stuff I got with putting on the water pump. So this is not a tutorial, it's not a step-by-step process, you know, it's not short and concise. So I know some of y'all probably wanted a step-by-step tutorial. So here, let me give y'all a quick rundown so that y'all wouldn't have to watch the whole video if y'all don't want to, right? Anyways, I hope you enjoy the video. Boom. So on the RB20E, the water pump is behind the timing cover. I believe that's similar for most RBs. But anyways, to get behind the timing cover or to take off the timing cover, you need to take off the water pump pulley with the clutch fan, and also you have to take off the crank pulley, the crankshaft pulley. The crankshaft pulley is held by a bolt, well, a nut at this 27, and what we did to take off the 27 nut is we took a 27 socket and power handle and wedged it in the chassis, and then turn the key, the starter, and the engine tumbled and cracked the bolt on its own. Once you get off the water pump pulley and the crankshaft, you have access to all the bolts on the timing cover. Remove all the bolts and screws, and then you'll have the water pump staying at you. All the bolts on the water pump is 14, and that's about it. You crack all the bolts, you take off the water pump, replace the gasket, put a light film, a very light film of silicone on it, replace the water pump, mount back up everything, and you're good to go. To take off the pulley as well, you don't need it, but we used a bearing puller or pulley puller, and that is basically a tool that hooks onto the pulley and gradually pulls it out. Alright, water pump teardown. I have no idea what I'm doing, but let's try to get through this together. So now this slack nut, pull off this belt. Just like that. Alright, water pump pulley off. Let's see what we're looking at here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the rest of the water pump goes behind the timing cover, looks like right here now. So it looks like the timing cover has to come off. To get to this one, I want to take off the igniter so I can get a nice proper leverage now, because these very tight and they very easy to wring out now. So you gotta go take a really fat bit, and I say fat, so you can get a cracking force now. Anyways, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments if this is the igniter for, you know, assuming as an igniter. I could be wrong. Me and really, you know, hola verse like what you think I might be. Igniter off. Alright, you see all these things? All these things here? Take them out. carry them by places like low-tech and stuff and convert them to hex now, so you can put a socket on it. Because if your only pointer, the only way you're taking it off is through a screwdriver, a Phillips head, and you know these kind of round the inside, how you gonna take it out now, boy? So just take them out, carry them by low-tech. Low-tech will check the thread pitch and then give you a hex head, or how many sides it is that will be similar to this, and then you just send it up. Because really and truly, look at like some of these just like ready to go through, but you know, thankfully they break. But other than that, I go and see if I can replace those things just to make my life a little bit easier if in case there's a next time. Alright, all 4 screws are off, and there's only 4 screws holding down the timing cover. Take it off, up and out. Boom. Put that right there. This is the timing belt here. And if you look, right, this piece of metal going straight down here to these 2 bolts here is water pump still. So bolts on it inside there as well. So whew, yeah, but not an easy fix at all. But you know, you get it done. Watch it there, she fighting me, boy. All how she fighting me. Car come on top, belt. Car come from below, belt. Car push it down. Maybe I could push it down. That's all. Put it on it. Car push it down, belt. Power steering pump had a slacken. Ah yes, she only fighting me. What you gonna do? Righty tighty, lefty loosey. If you're wondering why I didn't use a longer extension, is because I only have the one extension. I bought a price market, and I'm not gonna lie, I don't regret it, but it still have things lacking in it now. So majority of jobs I can do, but something as simple as spark plugs in like the Civic, I need more extensions, like 2 or 3 extensions now. But yeah, it's for the cover, and this is for, I don't know yet, but I can't get the cover bolts because guess what, the pulley anyway. And this is also why you want hex, because a socket can go there through the pulley, you know. So if you have hex, you put a little spanner on it or something, and well, you know, I'm not getting enough room, so I had to move the alternator. Damn boy. She fighting me. But I will succeed. God's pay. Oh gosh. This wasn't, I didn't think it was fitting, but I got it to fit somehow. I don't know, by the grace of God. Somehow it fit, and I basically crack it. You know, if you like behind the pulley has something I ain't seen. Yep, there is the last bolt for the timing cover. So yeah, pulley definitely had to come off, but you know, it is what it is. I don't know how I get her. Right? I don't know how I get her. I don't know how, but thank God I get it. Thank God.
That's all. Alright, go ahead. Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Man, it crackers. Hey, you know what you talking about? Alright, see, nice. Thanks, bro.
Yeah.
I appreciate you. Yeah, up doggy. And just like how we inside.
Right. Have a bearing puller, right? Or the pulley puller?
Ah, no, I don't have one, but you figure something out. Alright, see it.
Right. Later.
Later, my G. All of this to take off one pulley. The whole army had to come out.
To mix it up?
Yeah, don't mix it up. This one, that's
That
all.
one is in the back. The alternate.
Did it back for the alternator.
We can only go on one way now, it's in line. So
And
that one.
this one is for. Right, so
There's your that and there's this.
Ah, and you don't know which one is which. Alright, see it.
That's one. Just the same thing.
Nah, one had to be longer.
One thicker, one bigger, right? So this one.
You don't know. And the other one,
Nah,
you
this
don't
one
know.
going. There's the compressor.
on the inside.
Yeah, this they for the compressor and this one. Yeah, and there's the gum jump valve
The go.
and there's the gooseneck.
The,
There's the gooseneck. That's going on the gooseneck and that's going on the
okay,
You passing the man right now.
boom.
Where's that? That's okay.
Cool, you from the ghetto, by any little clanker tank you run into that way?
Yeah, so boom. You know how to work this. I don't know how to work this.
This is not supposed to be hard to come over.
If it had to come off, you send you whole car.
Dog, I have a dread love-hate relationship with Nike and all too, you know.
Yeah.
1 minute I just want to drive off a cliff. No, sorry, not drive off a cliff. 1 minute I want to drive the car off a cliff. And the next minute I just love the shit out of the car. Dog.
Exactly.
Yeah, but if this car don't work after this,
Yeah,
I'll
they-
light it off fire.
The other day I tell a man that. I say, boy, I think to drive this car off a cliff, boy. The man ball, and I'm calling it, bro.
Yo. You outside still or? Oh, well, I buy mine. Alright.
What, he actually leaving home, boy? What?
I already know what
You want
Alright, yeah, well, we'll see you here this morning.
Yeah. But I want to tell you that true SV because of the velvet on the glass.
Yeah, I never see this
SV, what is that? You know, like that's a trim one, special. I don't need all that. Exactly. No, I'm correct, right? You need all that. No. Nah, I don't need all that. You want more of that? Right. You see that? He ready to do something and put it on just one door.
Right, but you want more than that right now. This you are saying is when the driving levels go up.
Yeah, but you know why it's so bad that
Take off the tensioner because it's blocking one of the bolts. Take off the tensioner. Take out, you go into it. Take out the bolts for the water pump. Pull out that sideways or something. Good to go.
Yeah, your cup or my cup?
Nah, my cup empty. I was drinking from a cup. That's all?
I don't know who you drinking from.
Nah, boy.
Cozy.
Yeah.
My cup
Yeah, that-
really never had nothing.
Yeah, that cup never had nothing.
You see, what's the bar, man? You see, what's the bar? You telling me about grease?
Bread and grease on the other.
That's the blood the immunity what you're talking about now.
This thing reason I heat it.
But
Where's
the
that?
yoke. The yoke, boy.
Alright, see.
You gotta take out the belt and you have to take it.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn it, boy. Alright, see.
No, nice small thing. Just take it out and make sure you go back in the same direction. If it turn the other way, it might hop.
It might hop. Okay.
Not hop, but it make noise.
Alright, see.
Can I done way into the side already?
Yeah. Just mark direction.
Now will the mark on the belt in the front.
You want to damage it, kind.
You see you will engine call.
Game pui.
Game pui.
And if I leave her not inside, but
The problem.
Like that one on top.
Ah, see it. It's happened, not right.
yeah, I was testing it.
That's a prank.
That's a prank.
Yeah.
The men and them leaving a boat for me, yes? Sabotage.
Shall I come for? I come for Ben and get white too.
White to the light. Let's see. Straight up.
You see, we getting marked down.
Hey, where's that one there? Where that water coming from?
The water pump.
Oh, see. Hey, we get him out. Also, you didn't have to take off the gear then.
He said you ain't changing the belt, so I just say, alright, I shop. Yeah.
No, I thought he needed to take it out.
I was thinking,
We didn't need to mark nothing.
I just mark it just in case I take it off.
No, but you
I don't put it in a wrong tail. Put that this year.
Check underneath and see. Check underneath and see if you see any other holes.
that mechanical seal was leaking.
Just bring the ice over.
It was leaking from
It's
It's same. Where she from? The same hole you talk about, boy. Like, is the same hole you talk about?
silicone fixing.
What is that mechanical seal?
Yeah, it's a
spring loaded
seal.
seal.
Yeah.
It's wear down over time. You know what it's called? It's wear down? That shit. Rust,
Put coolant in your car.
Of
yeah, no water, no.
Oh God, don't talk that too hard now. I can't pack down with water. You know, it's a good buy.
People who know better don't get away, yeah?
No, it's a good buy. If you're only putting water in your car, put that something called water wetter
Yeah,
from Redline.
and use distilled water.
Put that.
Easy water though.
should be told I was always losing water over time. That's why I never use coolant. Huh?
That same GMB. Oh, GIB.
But the pump itself? Yeah, that's the pump.
Alright, bro. So just take a water pump, boom, wrap up, thing up,
Call
thing,
you get that.
back in again.
Something good to buy for a news, but if you could buy
A brand new water pump.
Yeah. That was
You see what going on?
not the water pump. I'm putting that in the video, eh?
Like ISR. What? And then ISR water pump calculator.
yeah.
Well, I actually sort out the coolant system. I put my overflow bottle back in the original spot. So I shouldn't be losing water now. The reason why I was running water is because I was constantly losing water.
Oh, it makes sense.
So I didn't want to put coolant and be still losing
Coolant,
fluid
yeah,
now. But
that'd be making it all day.
yeah.
But
I know.
once you sort all this, run
Yeah.
coolant. Especially if you see how you're gonna be having any car drifting. Yeah, run coolant. It'll save you. It'll keep your temperatures at bay now. And well, it helps you for the engine. Okay, you see all that rust and thing. All that after a while when it accumulates, it is lessen the the space and passages for the water, so it is end up overheating.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Like clog arteries.
Yeah. I feel you.
End up overheating. Alright, boom.
We good today. Work done.
Oh yeah, look what this man doing now, boy. Watch. 1, 2. The man said the Honda ground is boo. What? 3, 4. Watch. 5. What? 6, 7, 8, 9. Hey, watch. Man say Honda ground is boo, boy. Watch.
Yeah, correct.
Now, you got to ring now.
I didn't even reach so much. I reached 140 and I back off. I said, when I reach back by Brandon, I had Brandon on the keys. I said, Brandon, give me my car keys. I will stick to 4. Yeah, I tell Brandon I want 4 wheels.
Nah, boy. Way, boy. Look, I blink my eye there, and it look like a convertible, you know. Yes, Lord. Yeah, it's sounding real nice too.
Four-wheel have in the back, yeah?
Boy, alright guys, new day. Upon inspection, you realize that cam get leaking, you know, because it's just oily back there. So I'm gonna try to take off the cam gear to get to that cam seal. Alright. To do that, basically what I did was we turned the crank until like a quarter way to the right, so that's how all the pistons, no piston would be TDC, top dead center, and then we move the cam to make sure none of the valves, you know, to make sure we had free movement in the cam gear. So that's how, you know, with the valves going down, it would not contact the pistons, basically. Alright, the cam sealer's out. Bear in mind that last step, I really think, you know, in prying out this thing, I'm not sure if that was necessary or not. But the cam seal came out, how I took it out was I basically take a flathead, jam it into the seal itself, and then just bend it like this until it just kind of hook and pull itself out. Get my thing, boy. Fling up, hey. Go on, me cramping my style on video, dog. Get it ting, boy. The daddy studs. Way, boy, daddy studs. So the old studs from the old water pump. We good to go. We good to go. What we talking about? What we saying? Really?
Hey?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Right. That's all it can go?
Yeah.
Alright. I feel like it. So, extension again. I'll give it a sec. Alright. So. Inside, you know, just back up the final touches. You know, me playing on the pulley. And then belts going back on. Cha-la-la-la. And then we go drive it again, put coolant. Test it. Make sure it's holding water and good to go.